You might not have heard about Z-twist yarns, but if you're a crocheter, you're gonna wanna stay tuned. Z-twist refers to the direction in which the yarn is spun or plied together. Because Z-twist yarns are spun in the opposite direction from the more common S-twist, they are particularly good for crocheters. If you crochet right-handed, Z-twist yarns are spun in the same direction that they're wrapped around your crochet hook so they won't untwist or split. Lion Brand's first Z-twist yarn is the aptly named ZZ Twist. It's a worsted weight 100% microacrylic yarn with beautiful stitch definition and drape. Don't worry knitters, you'll love working with this smooth, soft yarn too. Click here to get your hands on some ZZ Twist.